Bonjour Paris, bonjour world. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And today I just landed in Paris from Doha. Flew with Qatar Airways on the business class on the A380. So it's quite a lot going on with the new menu and the A380. So I'm going to tell you guys everything in different videos. I went away for almost 3 weeks and the flow Qatar Airways back to back in different aircraft, different products. So I'm very excited to show you guys a lot. So stay around. Let's do this. Let's go. Man, I'm so tired. Can't believe it. Really tired. Fly Air France business class. So you can check two suitcase of 32, but I'm gonna sort some stuff out first. That's it. Paris Charles de Gaulle, Terminal 2E. Those are the airlines that depart from here. Air France, Air Mexico, Air Kenya, Japan Airlines, Korea Air, Delta Vietnam. Right, let's go and check those bags. France is over there. Flight business class today, so it should be easy, nice and easy. This is France check-in. Looks very busy today. Where's business? I think it's another side. Priority, sky priority. I came to the wrong check-in. Number 6 is set around there. Number 5, number 6. So see, this I can see sky priority, sky priority, sky priority, sky priority. Checking and first checking. Beautiful. Air France checking is quite quick here in Paris. Very nice and easy. All checked in. Now I'm gonna go for London before I go through immigration. Paris, Paris, Paris. Go for fresh air and I'll come back again. I just got all the way to the end there and I'll be back. Exchange money. So this is just for Air France. This whole terminal. It's massive. Remember, there's pickpockets everywhere on this city here at the moment. More Air France checking. Let's go there. All the way to the end. More Air France there. More Air France checking. Damn. My flight's not until 9 o'clock. It's only 3 o'clock. That's 4 o'clock actually. Quite early. It's more Air France. Very nice. More Air France. I think that's international zones. Let's close it. Right, let's go. Again. Another flight. So in Paris, you got the new e-gate is in here. I'm gonna try today to see how good it is. Paris is really good. We got British, we got Brazil as well there, Canada, China, South Korea. Yeah, look. Nice and easy through immigration. I get to the gate. My gate is L, so I need to get the shuttle. I think that's the next one, isn't it? Hello, CGG Paris, Air France.
为了您的安全，请您握紧扶手。
quite fast though. That shot is so quick. So quick. Less than a minute. France. Let me try to book this bar here. Every time it's hard to book a space in here. It's always full. I actually got a slot. It's really hard to get a slot in here. Have 6. Perfect. Yeah. Great. Can you compare this lounge to Qatar Airways lounge? Look how messy it is. Food's everywhere, so dirty, so messy. And this is a business class lounge. You can't even, yeah, you can't compare it to Qatar Airways. What's going on here? It's a cat. Yeah, looks like it's a cat. I couldn't film inside the Air France lounge. It's too full, so I don't want to make people feel uncomfortable. So I just didn't film that lounge. It's a bit messy anyway, so it wouldn't make much difference. But yeah, shame, isn't it? That's very cool, actually. Look, massive cat. You got these sleep pods in here now. In Paris, Charles de Gaulle. It's quite good, you know. If you're tired and you can't get access to the lounge, it's good. This airport is alright, you know. I like Paris. Paris Charles de Gaulle. It's quite clean. It's a big airport. It just Air France, they sort them out. So yeah, Air France, they have internet on the aircrafts now, like Qatar does. It's so fast, it's so quick. For some reason, I couldn't film this flight. Crew asked me to not film, record on this particular flight for some reason. So yeah, I had to respect. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some images here. So guys, thank you for watching, and remember, I've got a lot of new videos for you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you.